Welcome to a video from Initializing.com. This is another 5-minute patch tutorial, this time on the Korg Multi-Poly, and this we're going to make a big brass analog sound in 5 minutes. I think it should be pretty straightforward to do on the Multi-Poly. It's such a great and versatile synth. By the way, check out my other videos. I've got tutorials for the wave state and the mod wave as well, doing these 5-minute patches, so I think if you've got another synth, you'll enjoy that. Okay, so let's make a start. So I'm in initialize patch, and for this one, we can use a couple of oscillators. We could even use 4, but let's go with 2 for now. I'm going to use the detuned saw, and straight away you can hear that it's pretty much almost there, isn't it? Straight away, but I'm going to just use that one for now, and then we'll have another one in, another detuned saw, and we'll slightly tune them apart. That's okay. That's the first thing. So we've got the source of it, nice sort of brass sound. Now, one thing you can do, which I really like doing on here, is putting in the stereo filters, and I choose one left and one right of the oscillators. Gives you a bit of width there straight away. So no effects on this yet. Right. So now a bit of tricks we can do to fatten it up or make it sound slightly different. We can use a pitch envelope. We can use a slight pitch envelope just on oscillator 2. And what I want to do is to go back to 0 so it's in tunes, and a little bit of a kick. If I exaggerate that, I've got a bit of pitch bend, so they're out of tune ever so slightly, and then back in tune. Okay. What else are we going to do on that? Well, for the filters, I think we could add a bit of release. We could soften the attack. I quite like the sharp attack on that. When it comes to filters, let's go for a change with the SEM filter. Going to bring the filter down, and then I'm going to set some filter envelope. So we're going to have an initial peak, and then it's going to drop down and then release. And we can set some intensity, so you can control that intensity. I think that's about right. Okay, so I think we're pretty close there now. I can add a bit of chorus as well, and let's try a bit of delay on it as well. Now we could add an LFO to some pitch tuning, or we could go even bigger and go with another set of detuned saws. I'm going to bring that down a bit, again leaving them a bit random, and we'll set these the other way. So we're basically stacking up 4 notes on one key there. No pitch envelopes on these two, so on this one we could allocate that pitch envelope and just make it a little bit more extreme. I think that's sounding good, and I think that really is all we want to do, so I can save that, and I'll make that available as a download from Initializing.com. It's a free download, along with all the other ones that I've been working on as well. So I like that nice big sound. Just using the one filter. We could use a second filter and do something different, but I'll perhaps show that on a different video. So that's it. I think we've got a few seconds left, actually. Nice and easy. Create a big brass sound, analog brass sound on the Multi-Poly. Download from Initializing.com. Check out the other videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.